All right, I tracked down Zoom, no pun intended, because these guys ignore me on Facebook. Yeah, not him, but somebody ignores me. And I've asked time and time again for review stuff, and I get ignored. Anyway, look, this is cool though. So I finally get to see Zoom stuff in person. Because the thing is, you guys have very affordable products, isn't that true?
Yeah, absolutely.
And a lot of people think cheap is bad. But let me tell you, man, stuff does not look cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. And a lot of people love Zoom stuff. So I'm going to take their word for it. And I've heard Zoom audio recorded, like bird watchers and stuff. I've heard it. Your stuff sounds really good. So let everybody know what your newest stuff is.
Yeah, so right here we have the new L20. This is a live mixer, recorder, and audio interface all in one. So the layout is like a traditional analog mixer, although this is a digital mixer. You could use this as an audio interface, send each of the 20 inputs plus the stereo mix to your software through USB 2. Or at the same time, you can also record to the SD card, and you'll have a discrete recording for each input, a separate file for each input.
So you could do an interface and card at the same time?
Yep, that's right. And so you have 16 inputs with preamps, 2 stereo line input channels, 6 stereo outputs as well as the main outs. And for those 6 stereo outs, you could create a custom mix for each output.
That's aux.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Yeah, well, you can actually create a custom mix of each, and it'll send to headphones or monitors. You could switch between unbalanced stereo or mono balanced.
Does this have software that it does, because you have the tablet right there, right? So this interfaces with this to like set it up and stuff.
Yeah, there's a Bluetooth control app for iPad.
Cool. Sample rate.
Up to 96K 24-bit WAV files.
Okay, I thought you were going to say 48. That's really good. So the other question, does it have any effects?
Yeah, so you have 2 stereo effects returns, and on each channel you have a send for each return. So you can load delay, reverb.
So no built-in effects, I mean.
Yes, there are. You have 2 returns here with built-in effects, I should say.
Oh, okay, cool. Now, well, nobody's over there right now, but we'll just talk about it. No, we'll just talk about it. Your portable live, I don't want to call them live mixers, but your portable recorders, just go F8N, right?
Yep. Yeah, the newest one is the F8N. That's an updated version of the F8. So on the F8N, it's definitely designed for mostly audio for film, a field recorder for audio. It has a built-in timecode generator, which is pretty essential when you're working with cameras. And it has 8 inputs, XLR quarter-inch combo inputs, 3 different stereo outputs, 2 SD card slots. You can record in 2 different formats simultaneously.
What's the gain range, do you know?
It's up to 75 dB.
Wow,
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah, definitely. And yeah, a variety of power options for when using it out on the field.
And that also can be used with an app, right?
Yeah, we do have a control app for that as well for iOS.
Nice, man. Well, one day I hope to review some of this stuff. If not, hey, at least I talked to you at AES. I was just joking at the beginning there, but I was half joking. But anyway, it's cool. It's cool. Zoom, I've zoomed into you, and I found you at AES. You couldn't get away from me in person. So thanks, fist bump, and I'll see you guys in the next video.